Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl Chanelle Novosey, and today I'm coming to you with a really cool DIY. I'm going to be showing you all how to turn an over-the-door mirror into a beautiful glammed out bling mirror, which you see right above me. So this over-the-door mirror is super easy to make. If you guys saw my IKEA hack nightstand, you saw me spray another mirror in addition to the one I used in my bedroom, and that's this one that's placed right above me. I later on decided to add some bling to it to make it look super beautiful. So I have listed in the description box a list of everything I'm going to be using in today's DIY. Also, if you missed the IKEA nightstand drawer, which was beautiful, the mirror nightstand, I'll have that listed there as well. I also wanted to thank Lavoy for sponsoring today's video. I want to tell you guys all about it, and then we'll go ahead and get into the DIY. If you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell, and also check the description box where you'll have a link to check out Lavoy's tower fan. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you all later. Bye. So the tower fan comes with this really cool remote, which has several functions on it. The display button, which allows you to turn the display off on the front of the tower fan. You also have your on and off switch, and your fan speeds goes from low, medium, and high speed. So here are some of the speeds of the fan. It's currently on the low speed. Here's the medium, and here's the high speed. You also have your modes here, and it has 3 different modes: sleep, nature, and eco mode. So the sleep mode simulates an evening breeze. It has 3 speeds on low, medium, and high speed. The nature mode randomly selects the fan speed to simulate comfortable outdoor breezes. My favorite mode is the eco mode. On this mode, the fan automatically selects a fan speed based on the ambient temperature in the room. I love that. It also has a timer on it, so you can set the timer on the fan for up to 12 hours. Also, it has an oscillated button which allows the fan to rotate on its own, which I love. Okay loves, let's get started on the DIY. First, you're going to take some E6000 and some Bling Wrap, both of which you can get at Michael's. And I'm simply just going to measure and cut the Bling Wrap all the way around the mirror. It's super simple. Just take an over-the-door mirror, spray paint it, let it dry, and then you're just going to add some Bling Wrap. Super simple. As you guys know, I'm going for a glammed out apartment, and I'm redoing a lot of things on my own just to give it a nice little touch of glam and to make it look really beautiful without breaking the bank. So you're just going to cut your Bling Wrap to measure perfectly around your mirror. Make sure you get those sides. If you had like a full roll, this would probably be easier. I just took some scraps that I had left over. Take your E6000 and you're going to place it around your border. So you're just going to smear a light thin layer of the E6000 on the bottom. Make sure not to make it too chunky, because then the glue will appear through the Bling Wrap, which will make it look very messy. I try to eliminate that as much as possible. Then you're going to place your Bling Wrap on the top and then gently smooth it out, making sure that you don't bring up too much of the glue through the Bling Wrap, because then you'll see those lines. So try not to do that. A light layer of the E6000, add your Bling Wrap, make sure you cover all areas, and just place your E6000 down and then place your Bling Wrap right on top. Super simple, but it gives such a pop to this over-the-door mirror. Now mine's I got from Ross, actually, for 20 bucks. It does have a nice border around it, so it gives it a nice touch to it. Some don't have that border. You can get like a $10 mirror from Walmart, or you can go to Ross and get one as well. And that's the last strip there, and then I'm gonna add one little small piece on the top. I flipped it over and it already has hooks on the back of it, which is perfect. Just add 2 nails to the wall and hang it. And here's the finished product. It looks beautiful. I also have a seated bench right underneath that, and those pillows came from Hobby Lobby. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure that you subscribe. Also give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.